Hey guys, it's Cosmo Chloe here and welcome to my video. I'm a little bit nervous today. I am really nervous because I don't know how this is going to work. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I know that I look like a complete mess at the moment and I guarantee I'm going to look worse at the end of the video, so appreciate this face right now. All around YouTube people have been trying to follow a beauty guru's makeup tutorial. And I was sitting there for ages thinking, who do I want to follow? And I was thinking everyone's done like James Charles or Nikki Tutorials, Jacqueline Hill. And I was sitting there for ages and I thought, I wonder if this person has a makeup tutorial, and they did, and that person is TRIXIE Mattel, which you probably already figured out because it's in the title of this video. And I was so excited, so that is the video I'm going to be following today. I know she's not a beauty guru, but she's a drag queen, and I think that might be better than a beauty guru. The only thing I'm missing is a wig, but we're going to make it work anyway. So without further ado, remember to hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and let's crack on with it.
Hi, I'm legend, icon, and star TRIXIE MATTEL from season 7 of RuPaul's Best Friend Race. And although we are in full swing of All-Star season, we're also about to start Halloween season. And a lot of you guys like to dress up as me because I'm legendary and my makeup is so cool and fun. But a lot of people dress up as me and then they're like, look, I was you. And I look at the picture and they look like a car crash. So I'm here to help you.
I mean, I'm going to like the car crash.
Simplified, easy, like mayfly drag queen, meaning like born and died on the same day. You don't have to spend a lot of money. There's just going to be a couple products and it's super easy. So I'm going to take you from this to this.
Oh my god.
First thing you want to do is you want to put on like a shirt that's like a rag that's worthless that nobody cares about. Perfect.
I would put that on if I had that t-shirt, but I don't. So this is going to do.
Cover your eyebrows. Honestly, if you're being me and your eyebrows aren't touching your hairline,
I forgot I need a glue stick.
I did my makeup. She took the glue stick and she did like circles like this, and it's a great technique. So I recommend just doing a little.
Okay, he's putting a lot of glue on, so I'm gonna attempt with this. Oh my god, my eyelashes are coming out. I've never ever done this before, and I'm really nervous. First I'm gonna do this. Oh my god, I feel like the way he's doing it's making all my eyelashes come out, and oh my god, no, it came out. Oh, I'm so like, I'm just gonna swipe them.
And then I like to take a brush and brush out the glue.
Alright, he's gonna take a brush and brush out the glue.
I did this in my other video.
What do you mean?
Which has over 1 million views, so thank you so much for watching. And then I like to take a normal little baby wipe, and
mine's like rock hard.
The perimeter of the area on the glue. Because I'm a big fan of
what glue is he wiping off? My glue is rock hard.
Just clean up around it. While your eyebrows dry, you can start on this half of your face.
Okay, foundation and
I
contouring.
use a lot of different colors of foundation.
Well, good, because I've got
the skin
a lot going on.
That crazy kind of more of a tan kind of 60s surfer doll kind of look today.
Okay, so we're just gonna pause that. He's going in with a light color. I'm gonna go in with this color here. This is just a contour palette from Revolution. But I'm a little bit nervous. Where the hell are my brushes? Oh, here they are. I don't really know what I'm doing with this. I know this is a contour palette, but just pretend it's a foundation palette. And he's kind of just going all around the face. That's kind of the gist I've got. I feel like this pretty much just covered my face, right? He just said this half. Let's crack on with this. That is a real light colour, man. I'm gonna do this colour. This is as light as it goes. That is literally what he's doing, isn't it? That is as white as it goes. I'm saying he, and there's gonna be a point in this video I'm gonna say she, because I feel like we're slowly getting there. He's now into a she.
Allergies, plot twist, it was not allergies,
and then you got like a ratty sponge.
This is where I've arrived at.
And he's just tapping it in.
It's nice to remember the real reason I started doing drag, which is free drinks. This is a super fast version. We're going to start getting real crazy with these deeper foundations.
Oh.
You want to give yourself a full chin strap.
Oh, okay. Oh, how did he get that so straight? Oh my god, now he's going onto the cheeks. I need to pause. Go on. Right, so he did like a line. It's quite low. Like this. And then he was kind of like going up. Like that.
Like, do not be afraid of this look. It's disappointing to me when someone's like, I was here for Halloween, and they give me like a 30% version of it. Just do it. Just practice it a couple times. I swear, you'll be happier the more makeup you put on. Too much shakes.
He's softening it, so I'm using that sponge again.
It actually looks a lot better, because then you have something to kind of carve into.
Right, the nose. What's he doing? Oh my god, he's going in with dark again. Oh my god, I don't understand. Guys, I just lost Wi-Fi. I just lost Wi-Fi. While I wait for my Wi-Fi to come back on, I'm just gonna tidy this all up. I'm trying to make the edges harsher. Like, what time to run out of Wi-Fi, people? He's saying my nose needs to look geometric and it just don't look geometric. Right, the lightest colour. He's using a small brush, but I don't have a small brush. Oh.
Get into it. I mean, I live in West Hollywood. There are men in my neighborhood with this nose.
Right, so we're going to go all over my forehead, around the brows. He says the brows are still dry. And well, girl, my brows are already dried because they're rock solid. Yeah, my brows are dry, so I don't know what he's on about. He must have some, like, really, I don't know, intense glue that just takes like 8 years to dry. Because I put mine on and they dried like within 5 seconds.
Now the proud owner of a brown halo. And then to soften it, I'm going to bring the brown halo down.
Yeah, we kind of do need to soften this guy.
Now we're going to set it. I'm going to set
Wait,
it.
wait, you can't set it yet, I'm not ready.
Large, oversized powder puff.
I don't have a powder puff. Who owns a powder puff these days?
Brush, dust away the excess before you continue.
Wait,
so I set my cream contours and highlights with powder cream contours.
Okay, right, so he's moving on to powders. Wait, I'm still on this stage, boy.
And I'm going to use a little straight edge.
Okay, so he's... Now I need contour powders. Right, so I've got my NYX contour powders. Okay, he's got a really straight line. Right, so he's doing this. Hang on a minute, how am I meant to hold this? Look in the mirror. Oh. Is this it? Can someone tell me, is this it? I can't tell. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh! Oh! Okay! Hey, I like that.
Cloud of entitlement for a couple seconds. Then they look at the picture and they're like, you didn't smile. Because I'm not happy, Brenda.
Okay, he's going with a light. Oh, okay, he's doing a lot of like powder there just directly underneath. Okay. I gotcha. Okay, right, so he's now going in with a light colour. Okay, I gotcha. I understand. Is that even making any difference?
Brown color on that fluffy brush.
So he's taking a really deep brown colour.
Just like we did with the paint, I want to just deepen the edge.
Okay, he's deepening the edge. Okay.
We're going to do some blush, and I like to usually custom mix my blushes using eyeshadows, so I'm going to use this little pink color, this little orange color.
Wait, hold on. I can't even deal with life right now.
This little orange color, mix them together.
I feel like every step of the way, he looks more and more like Trixie Mattel. And I look more and more like a clown. Okay, eyebrows.
A lot of people know this. It's gross. I'm sorry.
Oh my god, he licked his glue stick.
And I use that wet glue stick to kind of seal in that top layer because the moisture makes the top layer of glue softer. And then while the top layer is a little wet, this is important.
I'm scared.
You're gonna
No, we're just gonna... Oh my god, it's cold. Oh. Powder is fully out there. My powder is definitely not going to be like this. I've also lost the brush I was using. Oh wait, I found it. Oh Lord. I don't get it. How did he do that? I just know my brows aren't going to cover up. Maybe I need to put some foundation on it. I'm going to put some cream contour on it. I know he didn't do this. I'm just going to do one layer. Just one layer. Just one layer over. Otherwise I'm going to have green brows. Oh my god, it's all like gone bubbly. So if you've ever wondered what you look like with no brows, do this. You put like a little bit of dark over here. I'm gonna do that. Okay, what's next? Eyes, okay.
So I designed a makeup look for you guys that is only black eyeshadow and white eyeshadow.
I can do black and white.
This is my little black eyeshadow. I use this for eyeliner, eyeshadow. I can't live without this black eyeshadow. This is bulletproof.
Do I have a black eyeshadow?
I look right in the mirror and I'm gonna sketch out the shape.
Okay, what's he doing? Oh, he's doing a straight black line.
Layer my top line of the wing.
How's he doing this?
And then I just have to bring it.
Oh, he's doing it all the way there, all the way up. Right, okay. Oh my god, going over your eyebrows is so hard.
Look, which has influenced the generation. I mean, if we're gonna call it what it is. So you've painted your top line, and you know where the corner of your eye is, so you're just going in and closing it off.
Oh, okay, then he brings it all the way down. Okay.
People are always like, but Trixie...
I've still got to do another eye as well. I've still got to do another eye.
So I'm gonna look right in the mirror, and I'm gonna think about the shape of the eye I want. So I'm gonna go in, and I'm gonna sketch in the crease. That's kind of my guideline.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm gonna wipe off the brush a little bit, and I'm gonna use a slight...
Using yellow eyeshadow now. Oh, and we're gonna make some brows. Okay, let's go with the brows. I'm ready for the brows. Do I have a yellow eyeshadow? I'm gonna find a yellow eyeshadow. Okay, I'm using the Canon Rebe palette. It's not like yellow, but it will do. Okay, I've got a white, and we're gonna colour in that centre with white. I don't know how he's done this.
It's a lot more effective.
This is not working. Actually, I might just use a white eyeliner pencil. Oh, we're closing it up.
I like to close it off because I like that really smoky outer look. Now, we are closing off the edge of this bad boy.
Okay, so we're going to paint the eyelashes black. I'm just going to do one layer. I ain't putting any contacts in, by the way. I ain't got any contacts. Nothing going in my eye today, people.
I wear 14 strips of eyelashes on my face.
Why do you wear 14 strips of eyelashes?
Go for it. So I got a little bit of lash adhesive on here.
Why'd you wear 14 strips?
I do something that's kind of weird.
What? I've only got 2 pairs, and that's all we're dealing with. We're dealing with 2 pairs. So's about that.
So crazy. I want you guys to realize we're not wearing them on the lash line. We're wearing the lashes like in here, in the pocket of your eye. And look right in the mirror.
Oh my god, those lashes are extreme, and he's putting them in the pocket of his eye. Oh my god, you gotta bear with me now, people. I just don't understand. Ah! No, I don't understand. Like, I don't actually understand how these bottom lashes are meant to go on. They're going on like this. That's just how it is, and you can see all the lash glue in there. And then for lip colour, he's going in with a bright pink. Okay.
You're not Trixie.
I don't have that colour pink, and he's overdrawing them, but I've got a pink.
This look, I'm not really going to do a lip liner. I'm going to do this colour, and then I'm going to use white, and it's going to highlight it.
And he's proper overdrawing.
Now, you guys, I'm going to go put on some other stuff so we can go.
And he's overdrawing. Okay. He said, what's next? What, is this it?
This to this.
He's done! Yay! That means I'm done! Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. What do you guys think? As I said, I don't have a wig. If I did, imagine if I had a wig, how good this would look. Like, I'd be on it. How do you guys think I did? This was so hard. Like, oh my god, drag queens, I give you everything. You guys rule the world, because this was so difficult. Like, and what's even crazy is I've got so much makeup on right now, and the only thing I'm thinking of is I need more contour. I feel really happy that I've done this because I love watching RuPaul and I love drag queens. I'm all for people who are gay, bisexual, transsexual, transgender, people who dress up in drag, people who just enjoy dressing up as women. Like, I just absolutely love that community, and in order to fully experience what people go through, you kind of need to dive right in. And I know that I'm never going to experience what anyone goes through because I'm not a dransexual. I'm not a drag queen or transsexual or anything like that. But just doing this makeup makes me realise how much time and effort and how people love their makeup, and it means like the world to them. So I'm really happy I got the chance to experience this. Out of 10 out of 10, let me know what you think. Do I look like Trixie? I think I look pretty good. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!